You know, Brian and I love to eat. Oh, let's take a look. The whole family's here.
And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are, but I do hear you.
So even with all the fun that we're having here in paradise, life still happens and we have to get the laundry done. This is a really nice laundry room. It's got a ton of washing machines, a ton of dryers. Price is a little steep, but hey, we're getting everything done in an hour. Reason number 9 that we are loving South Padre Island has to be the food opportunities here. You know, Brian and I love to eat. And this place has everything you need for fajitas. I mean, look at this. Fajitas this, fajitas that. Every kind of fajita meat you could need. Guacamole. Wings. Look at these. Look at these pork loin chops. These were delicious. We got these the other night. I mean, come on. Cream cheese jalapeno poppers. Shrimp. Tilapia. Not a fan of tilapia, but they've got it. Oysters. Lobster crab cakes. Yummers. Oh, here we go. Bacon wrapped shrimp. Yum. All right. This is something that we may have to try at some point. This is bacon wrapped crazy corn. What? All right, so we're looking to get ingredients to make our own ceviche. And what did you just find there?
Mahi mahi.
Taco chunks.
Yeah, they're just chunked up, but that's fine. That's all we need.
That's perfect. And what was sitting right next to it? Well, what does its neighbor look like?
Yeah,
Come on. If you guys could only see my mouth watering. How much is that crab, by the way?
I don't know.
Ah.
$24.
That's a big crab. I was going to say something else, but I think we're moving to Mexico. I think we're moving to Texas.
Sockeye, salmon.
Ah, sorry, South Dakota. We may have to change our domicile.
Big pork head. The pork snout.
Okay, put that back.
Pig's head.
Okay, and guess what? We're staying in South Dakota. And they have kolaches. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but they look delicious and they look specific to this area in Texas. Look at this. Jalapeno and cheese. Cheese. Oh my God. Alrighty, going in.
Yeah.
You guys,
Chicken.
tamales.
Chicken. Beans and cheese.
Never heard of beans and cheese.
Chicken. Queso con jalapeno.
Cheese with jalapenos.
And
And pork.
tamales.
I don't know, you pick this time.
You want pork?
What kind do you want?
Cheese and jalapeno. Go with the pork.
Okay, we're going
We
with
had
pork.
chicken last time, didn't we?
I thought we had pork, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't know. Yeah, see, this is where we're moving to Texas here.
Go with chicken.
Okay. They are a little pricey though. There's $8 for a package of 12, but they're really good.
All right, it's gonna be corn, everything in the middle, corn, everything on top. I'm gonna layer it.
Yes.
Everything in it, right?
Yes.
Everything. Whole
Yeah.
9 yards.
Whole 9 yards. Is this a Mexican treat snack?
Well, yes,
Is it? Okay.
yes. It's called elote.
Uh-huh.
Elote en vaso in Spanish. Esquite. That's the way they call it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The reason I asked, we went to Mexico, Puerto Peñasco, which is close to Arizona,
All right.
and we couldn't find it anywhere.
Yeah, cause I don't know that much. Maybe because it's farther over there. Maybe.
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 Yeah.
Sort of
Yes.
thing.
Okay.
And right here, this one. Well, The white one, we have the white one. This is a traditional one, the Mexican one, this one.
Yeah.
And this is the one from here, right?
Okay.
Texas.
Yeah.
But this one, we bring it all the way from Mexico. Not that far, not that. Yeah. Yeah.
That explains
Yes.
it. Sure.
That is why maybe you didn't find some.
That's probably why then.
Also,
yes.
the cheese, we bring it all the way from Mexico also.
Okay.
And the chili powders also.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Good.
People ask me when they come, when they pass by, hey, where you got your corn from? I tell them it's from Mexico.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't sell the cheese here, they don't sell the corn here,
Huh.
not the chili powders either. So,
Wow. Wow.
all right, a little bit of both, right?
Yes.
bit of both.
Please. Lot of corn. Oh, that's a lot of butter. Oh, that's a lot of milk.
Everything's better with butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. More chili powder in the top?
Just a little, sure.
Mm.
There you go. Awesome.
Any lime? Any salt? Would you like some? Lime juice?
Lime juice?
Sure.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Sure.
No salt, right?
Yes.
Salt? A little bit of salt?
Salt?
A little bit of salt. Sure.
Alright,
There we go.
You need an extra spoon?
Oh my goodness, what's going on in the kitchen?
A little ceviche. Fish and shrimp ceviche.
Yum. Well, we figured we've been spending a small fortune on ceviche all over the island. Why not try our hand at making it ourselves, and then we can make ceviche anytime we want to. And Brian's an awesome cook, so. Oh, let's take a look. That looks beautiful.
It's just veggies. Gotta add the fish yet.
Beautiful.
Seafood ceviche is actually pretty easy to make. In this, I used fresh Gulf shrimp and mahi-mahi. You can use any kind of firm fish, sea bass, mahi-mahi, tilapia if you want. Again, I used mahi-mahi. And jalapeno. So there's a whole jalapeno in here.
There's a jalapeno?
Seeded, just the greens. Tomatoes, you can either dice that or use the grape tomatoes like I used. Cucumber, salt and pepper, and some red onion and mango. And that is it. You can eat it with just like it is, with crackers or tortilla chips. Some ceviche is made with squid and scallops and a variety of seafood, but we just have shrimp and mahi-mahi.
Yum, yum. The whole family's here. You guys ready to go to the beach? Let's go. So we understand that it's about 25 miles to drive the entire length of South Padre Island to get to the north end, and I believe that is Port Mansfield. It's recommended that you have four-wheel drive, which we do, and we check the tide charts just to see how much beach we're actually going to have to drive on.
And of course, we'll start the odometer once we get on the beach, which we're going to get on Beach Access 6, which is free access. You can go to Beach Access 4, but they do charge you because they kind of maintain it in that area. But Beach 4...
Actually, Beach 5.
Beach 5.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Beach Access 5 they charge. Beach Access 6 is free.
Right. And I think it's like, I don't know, $10 or something like that a vehicle to go through Beach Access 5.
Yeah, so we go through the free end, which, you do. I would certainly recommend four-wheel drive. We've seen cars out there, but they must have gone through Beach Access 5 where it's maintained to get onto the beach.
Yeah.
Because I think in an previous video, we showed how deep it is there. So the ruts are good foot, 12, 14 inches deep. So.
Yeah, and we'll check it out today and see if it's changed at all. And it's a Friday, so not sure what to expect as far as how many people are going to be out there. You didn't bring your fishing pole, did you?
I did not. No tuna fishing
darn.
today. life raft or something. Somebody turned into something. Yeah, it looks to me like there's.
Think it was a life raft?
It looks to me like, yeah, maybe some kind of ship's life raft.
Oh.
Lifeboat, rather.
Yeah.
It's got some kind of mechanism on top. Looks like it was could be released from
Winch or something. A winch. Winch.
like a lifeboat davit or something.
Yeah. I swear you find the darndest things. To the northern tip of South Padre Island.
25, a little over 25 miles. We found our odometer.
And it was an awesome drive because we saw little things here and there.
Yeah, lots of different
Lots
stuff.
of metal things.
So we're here at the channel. We're not quite sure what this watercraft is back here. Dredger maybe? Not quite sure what it is.
Or what he's doing. Yeah, it's over here.
There's some kind of a hook in front and he's slowly moving towards it and then repositions it and moves towards it, so I'm not sure.
Yeah. It's a great drive, very relaxing, flat all the way.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it was fun. We recommend it. Okay, let's show you this fish over here that this guy caught. It's huge. Want to go play on the beach? Soon. What? Are you frustrated?
Garbage art challenge. Found an old plastic bottle, old fishing lures, and a few shells. So. Leave comments below and name it for us. That's all I can think of.
We were mesmerized as millions of these tiny clams erupted from the sand as the surf rolled in to wash them back to sea. So cool.
Finally found an intact conch shell, pretty small. You ever heard somebody blow one of these? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, awesome. As we were driving along the beach, we came across this area. I don't know what it is. It's really cool though. It's almost like the Bay Area, but I don't know